Ever felt like you're playing a never-ending game of hide and seek with the IRS, just without the fun of hiding and the joy of seeking? Well, meet our friend. Let's call him Bob. Bob was a regular guy who, just like you, found himself in a real-life version of Mission Impossible. Except his mission was to settle his back taxes. One day, Bob woke up to a letter from the IRS. It was like getting a love note, but instead of sweet nothings, it whispered sweet threats of liens and levies. Bob was stuck in a pickle, or should we say, a tax pickle. His nights were filled with counting tax penalties instead of sheep. But then, through the grapevine, Bob heard about Metro Accounting and Tax Services, CPA. He decided to give them a call, thinking, what's the worst that could happen? And, oh boy, was he in for a surprise. Upon contacting Metro Accounting and Tax Services, Bob was greeted by a team of professionals who, unlike his nightmares, didn't wear IRS badges. They were friendly, empathetic, and most importantly, they knew their tax laws like the back of their hands. They took Bob's tax troubles and started chipping away at them. They negotiated with the IRS, challenged the penalties, and worked out a payment plan that didn't require Bob to sell his kidney on the black market. In no time, Bob's back taxes were no longer a mountain, but a tiny molehill. He could finally sleep without dreaming of IRS agents chasing him through a maze of paperwork. And the best part? Bob could go back to being Bob. No more late-night stress eating, no more anxiety-induced hair loss, and definitely no more tax nightmares. Thanks to Metro Accounting and Tax Services, Bob was free from the clutches of tax terror. So, if you're feeling like you're stuck in a real-life thriller with the IRS as the villain, remember Bob's story. Don't let back taxes turn your life into a horror movie. Instead, turn to Metro Accounting and Tax Services. They're not just accountants. They're your tax superheroes ready to swoop in and save the day. So, why wait? Pick up the phone and dial Metro Accounting and Tax Services at 404-990-3365. Or schedule a free IRS tax resolution consultation at metroaccountingandtaxes.com/tax problems. Let them take the tax out of taxing. After all, life's too short for unnecessary stress. Let Metro Accounting and Tax Services handle your tax troubles while you get back to what really matters: living your life tax worry-free.